Gentlemen, picture this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up and realize your body feels like it did years ago. Firm, full, and ready without swallowing a single pill, using pumps, or going through risky treatments. Just your own two hands and a few minutes of simple, precise stimulation. I'm Dr. Rebecca Clark, a urologist specializing in men's health for over a decade. Today, I'm going to reveal 3 specific pressure points on your manhood and surrounding area that can naturally restore stronger morning erections. These techniques work by boosting blood flow, relaxing the right muscles, and sharpening nerve responsiveness. If you've been missing that automatic morning rise, that once felt effortless, don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where these pressure points are, how to stimulate them safely, and how to build them into a daily routine for real lasting results. Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. How old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one and do my best to respond before I show you the exact points you need to understand why this method works, because once you know the science behind it, you'll realize this isn't just pressing skin. It's activating one of the most powerful systems in the male body. Erections aren't random switches. They're the result of a perfectly coordinated system between your brain, spinal cord, blood vessels, nerves, and pelvic muscles. Here's how it normally works. It begins with nerve signals, tiny electrical impulses traveling at incredible speed. These signals tell the smooth muscles inside the penis to relax, allowing blood to surge into the erectile chambers called the chora cavernosa. As those chambers fill the veins that normally drain blood away, get compressed, trapping it inside and creating firmness. But age changes the game over time. Arteries lose flexibility, especially in the pelvic region. Years of wear, mild inflammation, or even conditions like high blood pressure make those vessels stiffer. At the same time, nerve conduction slows down, meaning the messages from your brain or sensory receptors don't travel as strongly or as fast as before. This double hit, weaker circulation plus slower nerve signaling, is one of the biggest reasons morning erections fade after 50 or 60. Now here's where pressure point stimulation comes in. By pressing or massaging very specific spots, you activate clusters of sensory nerves that feed directly into reflex pathways linked to erection control. These signals don't just stay local. They travel to the pelvic nerve plexus and into the sacral region of your spinal cord, which is basically your body's erection center that sets off a chain reaction. Your nervous system signals the smooth muscle to relax, arteries open, wider blood flows more freely, and the pelvic floor muscles engage to support and hold firmness. In other words, these pressure points act like a reset button, bypassing some of the age-related slowdown and giving your erection system a direct boost. When practiced consistently, this doesn't just work in the moment. It retrains your reflexes, improves vascular flexibility, and even restores nerve sensitivity over time. Pressure point number 1, base groove. The first pressure point is located at the very root of your manhood, where the shaft meets your pubic area. If you slide your fingers along the underside of the shaft toward your body, you'll notice a slight dip or groove, almost like a natural hinge. That's the spot we're targeting. This area is more than just skin. Right underneath lies a dense cluster of sensory nerve endings, including branches of the dorsal nerve of the penis, along with key blood vessel junctions that connect directly into the erectile chambers. In short, it's a control hub where your nerves and circulation intersect. By stimulating this groove, you're firing up both systems at once, waking up your nerve pathways, and encouraging more blood flow into the erectile tissue. It's like flipping the switch to reestablish communication between your brain, spinal cord, and penis. Here's how to do it. Place your thumb right over the groove while your fingers support the back of the shaft. Start with moderate, steady pressure, not painful, but enough to feel the tissue beneath your thumb. Begin making small circular motions, slow and deliberate. As you continue, you may feel warmth, a gentle tingling, or even a sense of fullness building in the shaft. These are signs that blood flow is improving and your nerve fibers are becoming more responsive. If you don't feel much right away, don't be discouraged. Sensitivity here often returns with consistency for best results. Practice this daily, ideally in the morning, before getting out of bed, or during a warm shower when circulation is already improved over time. Stimulating the base groove can help retrain your erectile reflexes, making those dependable morning erections much more likely to return pressure. Point number 2, the perineum. The second pressure point isn't on the shaft at all. It's located in the perineum. The soft strip of tissue between the scrotum and the anus. Many men overlook this area, but in terms of erection strength and staying power, it's one of the most important spots you can target. Why? Because it sits directly over the bulbo-spawn-osis muscle, a key muscle in your pelvic floor. This muscle works like a natural clamp, locking blood inside the penis during arousal and helping you stay firm. As men age, this muscle often weakens, making it harder to maintain full rigidity. Stimulating the perineum helps reawaken and strengthen this crucial support system. Here's how to find and work it. Sit comfortably or lie back with your knees slightly apart. Place 2 fingers, the index and middle. Usually work best on the midpoint of the perineum. Apply. Gentle but firm pressure, not so strong that it causes discomfort, but enough to feel the underlying muscle respond. Use slow circular motions, keeping your touch steady and deliberate. As you massage, you may notice warmth spreading toward the penis or a faint pulsing sensation. That's your pelvic floor activating and your blood flow increasing. Spend 2 to 3 minutes here for even better results. Pair the massage with light pelvic floor contractions similar to doing Kegels either before or after. This combination doesn't just improve circulation in the moment, it helps the bulbospon. Osis muscle gets stronger over time, giving you firmer and more reliable erections when it matters most. The perineum may be hidden, but its role in restoring morning erections is absolutely vital. Pressure point number 3, the corona. The third and final pressure point is at one of the most sensitive parts of the male anatomy, the corona. This is the raised ridge that circles the base of the glands right where the head meets the shaft, packed with thousands of sensory nerve endings. It acts like a gateway between physical stimulation and the erection center in your spinal cord. When this spot is activated with the right balance of pressure and rhythm, it can sharpen nerve responsiveness, making arousal signals travel faster and more effectively. In simple terms, stimulating the corona helps your body switch from arousal to a full erection more easily. Here's the method. Using your thumb and forefinger, gently pinch the ridge of the corona and hold for about 5 seconds. Then release slowly. Repeat this hold and release cycle for about a minute. Afterwards, switch to slow circular motions around the entire ridge, letting your fingers glide with steady pressure, avoiding any harsh friction. This sequence awakens the dense nerve endings without overwhelming them done consistently. It reconditions the nervous system to respond more like it did in your younger years. Over time, you may notice not only stronger morning erections, but also heightened sensitivity and more natural arousal during intimacy. Remember, the key here is moderation. Too much intensity can overload the nerves. Gentle, consistent stimulation works like a tune-up for your body's arousal circuitry. Think of it as reminding your system how to respond the way it used to naturally, smoothly, and reliably. Now let's bring it all together. These 3 pressure points, the base groove, the perineum, and the corona, aren't just random spots. When used as a short daily routine, they stimulate blood flow, activate pelvic support muscles, and sharpen nerve pathways. That's the exact combination your body needs to bring back stronger, more dependable morning erections. Here's a simple sequence you can follow. Start with the base groove. For about 90 seconds of slow circular pressure, move to the perineum for 2 minutes, massaging steadily to engage the pelvic floor. Finish with the corona, using the hold and release method, followed by gentle circular strokes for another 2 minutes. That's under 6 minutes a day. Yet over time, it can retrain your body's erectile reflexes, improve circulation, restore nerve sensitivity. Most men begin to notice subtle improvements within 2 to 4 weeks. Warmth, more fullness in the morning, and erections that feel stronger and last longer. But for the best results, pair this with healthy lifestyle habits. Stay hydrated, train your pelvic floor with Kegels, and fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods that support blood flow and hormone balance. The more you support your circulation and muscle tone, the better your results will be. Gentlemen, you don't have to accept fading erections as a natural part of aging. Your body still has the ability, it simply needs the right signals and stimulation. By making this routine a daily habit, you're giving your nerves, blood vessels, and muscles the reminder they need to work together again. So take a few minutes each day to apply these techniques. Over time, you may be surprised at how much strength, confidence, and vitality you can restore without pills, pumps, or risky procedures.